So in section 4.9, we are learning an operation called the antiderivative or the integral. So sometimes it's called the antiderivative, sometimes it's called the integral. And this is a very important topic, not only for this section, but for the next chapter, as well as all of Calculus 2. So it's kind of a big deal. So we have a lot of rules that we're going to be learning, and essentially they're all the opposite rules of the derivatives. So we are, this is the inverse operation of the derivative. So we are undoing derivatives. So the first rule is if we take the integral of a with respect to x, and a is going to be just some kind of constant, then our rule is going to be that we're going to put an x with that a, and we also need to put a plus c. So if you think about going the opposite direction, or the derivative direction, the derivative of ax, the x just goes away because the 1 comes down, and you're just left with an a there. The c just goes completely away. So on all these rules, you're going to be seeing plus c's because you need to account for a constant which would go away when you go the other direction, meaning the derivative. So if we look at the integral of 5, that would be equal to 5x plus c. If you look at the integral or the antiderivative, you can really say one or the other, of 3 dx. So again, you're integrating with respect to x. That means that x is your variable, or you're considering that to be the variable for this problem. Then that's going to be equal to 3x plus c. And that'll be your answer.